Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to raise pets with friends on Widgetable. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Widgetable application. Then after that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Widgetable if you already do not have one. Also, you can go and join as a guest. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have three tabs. We have the Explore tab, we have the Wallpaper tab, and we have the More tab where you can see some more things about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and raise pets with friends on Widgetable. So it's pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps. Firstly, what you need to do is go and click on the pets, which is the third option out of the shop, friends, pets, and garden on the top of the screen. When you click on pets, here you need firstly to go and start hatching a pet. So you can also send a pet to your friend. You can click on how to send pet to your friend to check out how you can do that. When you hatch your pet, it will be in the pet zone here. As you can see, you currently have no pets. Use the pet eggs to hatch your pets. Now, you just need to go to the friends tab, share and invite. And when they are friends, you will have them in your friend list when they are added there. And then you can go and raise pets with your friends. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.